In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Instagram on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you will need to press this PS button, then go to Game Base here. Now here, go on any friend and in this text box write bing.com and send it. After you send the bing.com, go on that bing.com message and press X on your controller and the browser will open. Now here, if the browser is too small for you, you can press the L3 to zoom out and R3 to zoom in. Now go on the search bar and enter Instagram. Now go on Instagram and put your arrow on Instagram and press X on your controller. Then go on the Instagram, press X and wait for a few seconds and the Instagram website is here. So, and if you want, you can also pin this to a side and play games. So just press the options button here, then here go on exit pin to side and press X, and if it doesn't work, go again and go on pin to side and press X. Now select on which side you want and after that press X, and now you can browse your Instagram and also play games. And if you want to exit out of that Instagram card, just press the PS button twice, then press the options button, then here go on close card, press X. If it doesn't work, do that again and this time go on exit pin to slide and press X, and then go on close card and press X. And so this is how you can browse Instagram on your PS5. Thanks for watching.